Creating a touching memorial poster begins with intention and gentle design. Choose a warm, peaceful color palette and soft, readable typography. Select a favorite photo and create a careful before and after comparison. Use Gemini AI to draft compassionate copy and meaningful quotes. Example prompt: write a short, heartfelt memorial message honoring a loved one. Review tone, edit for clarity, and keep the message simple and sincere. Lay out the poster with a clear focal photo and balanced white space. Add subtle embellishments, a soft border, a delicate motif, and gentle shadows. Example Gemini prompt: design a minimalist memorial poster layout with soft colors and a gentle motif. Compare before and after images, letting the improved design speak quietly. Export high-resolution files and prepare printable and digital versions. Create with care, honor memory, and share with compassion.